This is Rick with Restore Computer Solutions. This is part 2 in the series of tutorials on how to create a logo in Fireworks, Adobe Fireworks CS6. Okay, and let's go ahead and get started. Now, where we left off, we brought it to this point last time. So if you haven't watched the tutorial before this, I'd suggest watching it because you're going to get a lot of knowledge in a very short video just to get it to this point. And this doesn't, and you can change how it looks and all the colors as you please, as you can see in the video. Now what we're going to do is just change some extra settings we didn't have time to change in the previous video, and show you how to use another menu within Fireworks. I've taught you how to use the sidebar menu, your text. So if you your text menu, if you want to make your text larger, you can make it larger. If you want to make it wider, you can make it wider. Now, as you can see right here. Now, what we're going to go ahead and do is try to adjust, use some of the filters and options to really edit the image that we already created. So let's go to sharpen, and we just sharpened our text. Now let's click on the background and make sure you're on your pointer tool, and we're going to let's say filter sharpen, and you'll notice just incremental changes in it. Now if you want to go ahead and change the colors on it, since we're already on the background, we can change the color just by going to hue and saturation. We can change the saturation up here, from up there to down here. We can change the lightness. Okay. Now, another option you might want to use is going to be the, excuse me. Okay, the levels. Now, when you change the levels, what you're doing is you're changing the level of each color, of pigment essentially within each color. So as you can see, just by clicking that and changing the level, we change how it looks completely. And as you can see, as we start changing colors, we can bring out much bolder colors just by adjusting with those. Now if you use the transform tool, for example, if we go ahead and we click our text and we want to rotate it, we can rotate it. So let's say we want to rotate it 180, say we want to rotate it 90, say we rotate it another 90 and another 90. Now the transform tools, these are pretty cool. What we can do with these is skew the text. So grab a corner and we can make it seem like it's further away than it really is. Okay. Now you can also distort this, and I'll show you how you can do that. This can be pulled in multiple different ways, and as you can see, it still says RCS, and it gives you that depth. And you can also do a free rotate, and a free rotate will allow you to adjust this image however you like. Okay, so it looks like it's coming out of a barrel or whatever you like. So you can bring it out to here. As long as it's on your canvas, it will show up. So if we went ahead and saved this image and displayed it, because it's in our canvas, as you can see where the transparent background is, everything on that will show up. You don't have to worry about these little boxes around the images. Another option that I use a lot with images is, let's go ahead and down here, is the convert to grayscale. Sometimes the image editing tab gets caught up and makes it very difficult to open it. So let's see if we can get it to open. It's not going to open. Okay, so it's inside your adjust colors. Oh, here we go. You convert to grayscale, so now you can see that our background image was converted right back to black. Okay, and if you adjust the hue and saturation, that's going to turn it into a bitmap automatically. So adjusting a lot of the options that you did before in the Photoshop live effects are not going to be able to be adjusted anymore. Okay, so that about wraps it up. This is Rick with Restore Computer Solution. We are a web design and development company. We also do IT, corporate, bigger business. We have a department for that. Other than that, I hope this tutorial helped you out. Check us out at restorecomputersolutions.com if you're looking for a design and development. Give us a call at 949-705-7906, and also for any IT work that you might need in integrating and implementing a new system. Alright, thank you very much. Have a good day.